Hello and good morning. Welcome back. Crypto market daily analytics. We're looking at the stellar, this time the stellar versus the Bitcoin, which I like to follow as a kind of a compass. I use that. I think this is one of the main barometers for the crypto market in general, giving us general directions. I noticed that pretty much ever since the get-go, this one had a pretty high correlation to the Bitcoin and the rest of the coins. So I wanted to touch base on this one just because of what's going down right now as we speak. Even the last, I would say probably the last couple of days, 3 days, price is breaking a huge support level. The bottom key level on this very profound system. I say profound because this system actually started, we're talking about this trading range, it started back at the beginning of 2018. So all through that year, price did keep itself from touching base or breaking below that bottom key level. We actually had a serious attempt on March 2018. Price was engaging with that bottom key level, but you see what happened. It quickly bounced away and turned around. So up until a couple of days ago, that level was a massive support. But take a look right now. This may become just a false breakdown, right? I mean, price. This is just a daily chart, pretty noisy. Price could come back by the end of the week. Or by the end of the month and leave just a spike here and become very bullish actually after such an engagement. So that's one scenario, but I have to admit I'm afraid this is not going to be a false breakdown because we have a lot of signs coming from different areas pointing out for further downside move on a large scale. Right now, we're probably not going to bottom out right now. So unfortunately, looks like now once we break that bottom key level here, there is no obstacle in sight to break that negative momentum. We could go much lower, right? Much deeper, possibly even to the previous low, previous major low. I'm talking about right here around the levels of 5 zeros, 35, 5 zeros, 40, right? Right now we're trading at 4 zeros, 21. So, there's a lot of potential on the downside once we cross that last line of resort here, which seems to be the case. We also we were trying to break above two important key levels that if price was successful, it would change the whole picture. At first, it was this key level, the higher key level here, black dotted line. Price failed. That was the first. It broke it broke the lower one. Tried to come back, right? You can see the failure. Those were the first, two signs that this pair is probably going to break down with the rest of the market, as I explained at the beginning. It has pretty high correlation to the cryptocurrency market. So we'll see how that goes, but obviously this is a pretty important warning flag with regards to the situation in the market. So we're bearish right now, bearish outlook on the stellar versus the Bitcoin. I'll come back to keep you posted. See you in the next video.